If Blender is showing error 258, don't worry, because this usually means the operation timed out, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes first, then show you the more reliable solutions if the error keeps coming back. This is especially helpful if Blender won't launch, gets stuck at startup, or fails right after you open it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is running Blender as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher or the app itself doesn't have enough permission to start properly, and that can trigger error 258. To do this, right-click on the Blender shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If Blender opens normally after that, then the issue was likely just a permissions problem. If that doesn't work, go ahead and restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary issues, free up stuck background processes, and fix startup conflicts that may be blocking Blender. After the restart, try opening Blender again and see if the error is gone. Now, if Blender still won't launch, the next thing to look at is antivirus interference. Some antivirus programs can block Blender files or slow down startup long enough to cause a timeout. Temporarily disable your antivirus protection, then try launching Blender again. If Blender opens correctly, you may need to add it to your antivirus exceptions or trusted apps list so it doesn't get blocked in the future. Another very effective fix is doing a clean reinstall of Blender. Corrupted install files are a common reason for error 258, especially if Blender was interrupted during installation or a file was damaged over time. To do this, uninstall Blender completely from your system first. Then delete any leftover Blender folders if they still remain and download a fresh copy from the official Blender website. Install it again and test it after the clean install. In many cases, this step alone fixes the issue. If the error continues, you should install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Blender depends on certain Windows components to run properly, and if those files are missing or broken, startup problems can happen. Download and install the latest supported Visual C++ packages from Microsoft, then restart your computer and try Blender one more time. Next, we'll check the Windows system files, because damaged system files can also cause launch timeouts and application errors. Open the Start menu, type cmd, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the system file check needs admin access. Once the command prompt opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. The system will scan for corrupted files and attempt to repair them automatically. This process can take several minutes, so let it finish completely before closing anything. After the scan is done, restart your computer again and test Blender. If the scan found and repaired issues, that may have been the source of the problem all along. So to quickly recap, Blender error 258 is usually caused by a timeout, blocked startup, permission issues, antivirus interference, or corrupted files. The best order to try the fix is run Blender as administrator, restart your PC, disable antivirus temporarily, perform a clean reinstall, install Visual C++ Redistributables, and finally run SFC/SCANNOW. If this video helped you solve Blender error 258, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Blender problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.